Dr. Christy Ennis. Welcome to Follow Me Friday, where motion is lotion. Today, we are really working on strengthening and stretching those glutes because those play a huge role in causing hip bursitis, both the weakness and the tightness. So we're going to do this all lying down on our back, so we're not going to put any pressure on that hip. If at any time anything doesn't feel good to you, please stop. Starting out, bring those heels together, turn those toes out. We're going to lift those buns up. So this helps to open the hip flexors as well as engage those glutes. We are going to do 15 like this. So here's 3. You just have to follow along with me. 4, 5, 6. If you feel like you need a little bit more loosening during the day, like if you've been sitting a lot, or before you start this is where the derma edge comes in handy to help get that fluid moving and to get that blood flow going a little bit more. And I'll link that for you guys as well. There's 10. We have 5 more. Try to only lift as high as you can without arching through anything. Oops, I think I just arched. Sorry. You're going to hold it up there at 5. So 2 more. And we're going to get 20 little pulses. So part way down and back up. There's 1, 2, 3, really engaging through those glutes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now that we've got things a little warmed up, we're going to get into a stretch. One of my favorites, if you follow me, crossing that ankle over that leg. You're going to bring that opposite leg up towards your chest. My hips are quite tight today. We're going to take a couple breaths here. Nice deep breath in and out. 1 more. Good. All right, if you need to stay there, stay there. Yeah, if you want to advance this a little bit, you're going to bring that foot down. And then I'm going to bring my knees all the way over to the side. And this really stretches out in through here. And this feels really good to me today. I'm just going to stay here for the rest of the video. You guys can come back later. Just kidding. I'm going to take 1 more breath here, and then we're going to get both of those on the other side. So stretching all of this out right now. And come on back to the center, uncross, cross the opposite leg over. And if this is too much, you can always even just do this and bring that opposite knee across. But if you've got the mobility, go ahead and bring that knee up. Please also keep in mind, you don't want to be causing pain, whether it's in your bursa or whether it's in your buns, or anywhere in your hip or anywhere. Don't push through a stretch. It should feel good, not bad or painful. It's not about no pain, no gain. All right, I'm going to put my foot down, and now I'm going to drop over to the other side. Great stretch for the low back here too. My little skirt. Good thing I have shorts with it. Awesome. Coming on back to the middle. We're going to work inner, outer, and front of the thigh. So you're going to think about trying to tighten up that quad, toes pointing straight to the middle. We're going to lift up and come back down, trying to keep that quad tight the whole time. We're going to do 10 like this, and then we're doing some where we're rotating our foot to get inner and outer. That's 5, 6, hip flexor 2 a little right, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Turn that foot out. Same thing. Just hits the inner a little bit more. 3, 4. My legs are tired today. 5, 6, 7, 8. Try not to arch through your back either. I realized I was doing that too. And 10. Turn those toes in. Mine don't turn very much. Yours might turn more. That's okay. There's 2, 3, 4. I've had all sorts of injuries and issues in my life, so it happens. 6, 7. That's why I do what I do. 8, 9, and 10. Of course, we've got to get the other side, so straighten that leg, squeeze that quad by pressing that knee down, and lift straight up for 10. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Turn those toes out. So this breaking up with the strengthening and the stretching intertwined really helps to give the muscles a break. And like I said, get that blood flow going so those stretches actually are more effective. So it really is a great thing to do them in this kind of order and combination. I lost count, sorry. 6, we're gonna guess. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Turn those toes in, and then we do have another stretch. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, I'm going to bring both feet down, mat width apart, or usually a little wider than hip. And we're going to bring both of those knees to the side, and I'm going to really press into this top leg. That gets those hip flexors as well as out here a little bit more. So we're really working on both parts of the rotation, one on one hip, one in the other. And try to breathe in as you come to the center and breathe out as you come to the other side. I said you can press that top hip down if it feels okay. You don't have to. I do love this one too. I love kind of all of these. I think I've said that several times today. That's okay. Yay. Oh, especially for this side today. One more to the other side. Awesome. Okay, we are going to go back into a bridge. This time our toes are going to point straight forward. You're going to lift those buns up. You're going to stay there for this one. You're going to lift that left knee up, and now you're going to lower just with that right leg. We're going to do 10 like this, and then 10 on the other side, and then one more holding it up. If this is too much, just stick with a regular double leg bridge for this. You're still working. There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Keep those buns up, bring that leg down, switch sides. Woo, really squeeze into those glutes to help those hamstrings from cramping. You can even raise your toes up a little. Sometimes that helps. Also try not to let that knee collapse in. That's 5. 6, at 10, we're going to hold it at the top. 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, one last one. Keep those hands on those hips so you don't dip them. We're going to march. So alternating, picking one leg up and the other leg up without, like I said, dipping. If that's too much, go ahead and just start by raising one heel and the other heel. Oh, heel. We're going to do 20 total. Stop at any time if you need to, and then we have one last stretch. So here's 8. Try to keep those feet apart a little bit. 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring those buns down. Nice job. You're going to straighten one leg out, bring that opposite leg in towards your chest, and you're going to bring it across the body. Now you have control if you just want to bring it across a little, or if you really want to bring it across all the way, get the back involved a little bit more. I'm going to stop here just to really stretch these glutes out. You want to hold on wherever it's comfortable for you. Sometimes compressing the shin doesn't feel good, so you can hold right under that thigh. And switching sides, straightening that one out, bringing this one up. If need be, you can always keep this leg that's straight. You can keep that bent if that's more comfortable for you. You can even turn that head away a little bit. One more nice breath. Nice job, everyone.